Hi, my name is Stephen Thomas. I'm CTO at SMT Data. I'm going to be talking about server right-sizing evaluation. This is a services offering provided by SMT Data based around our IT business intelligence solution. Why is right-sizing important? Well, many of the servers in a typical IT installation are either idle or severely underutilized. This means excess cores, memory, and disk, resulting in excess hardware and software costs. But we also see that some servers are overutilized, and this results in poor performance and operational problems. Now, many installations have really good tools for reporting on individual servers, but often they struggle to get an overview across thousands of servers, across longer periods of time, or don't have the ability to map these findings out across organizational units or applications or in financial terms. And they don't have reporting that's readily available for multiple roles. Often what they have is very technical tools for specialists. So the objective of the right-sizing evaluation is to go in and identify the low-hanging fruit, where it's possible to save money or improve service. In other words, the expensive servers with too much capacity, or the servers that are resource constrained a significant portion of the time. So where is this relevant? Well, when you're preparing for outsourcing or evaluating a current outsourcing situation, moving towards the cloud, hardware refresh, looking at your software licenses, in connection with a merger and acquisition to understand potential synergies or savings by merging different data centers, launching new applications, or any sort of general cost reduction effort. The timeline for the services offering is typically 2 months, but can be adjusted based on the customer needs. We often have preliminary findings already after the 1 week. And the data collection and reporting can be extended beyond the agreed time frame for an additional fee. So we start out spending half a day or a day installing the collector in the customer's environment. We gather data, typically over a month, analyze the data, produce a final report, and have a workshop with the customer going through the findings. And then we provide the customer with access to the ITBI solution for an additional month, where they can go in and do their own analysis on top of their data and also observe the effects of implementing some of the recommendations and findings from the report. The final report includes a management summary, an overview of the data collection, an overview of the capacity utilization and right-sizing potential at a high level, but also specific recommendations and expected results, and some detailed examples. There's also conclusions and recommended next steps, and then a very detailed appendix going through server by server what our observations are. The prerequisites for the services offering are that the customer has to provide a small Windows server in their environment with the required authorizations to remotely go out and collect the data, performance and capacity data we require. We do not install agents in the customer's environments. It's all done remotely from the collector program. Optionally, the customer can provide us business mapping, allowing us to tag the servers along dimensions of interest, such as application, organization, or whatever the customer is interested in seeing. Also, the customer can provide us with, optionally, with cost input so that we can quantify the potential impacts in financial terms. So feel free to contact me if you're interested in hearing more about this particular offering or just want to have a general conversation about performance and capacity in your environment. Please also follow us on LinkedIn or have a look at our website for additional information.